Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Apple storage using an Apple gift card. First, ensure your Apple ID is properly linked to your account. Then, take a moment to check your current iCloud storage usage to understand your needs. Finally, confirm the available balance on your Apple gift card before proceeding. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient process for upgrading your storage. Let's get started with redeeming your gift card. Now, let's redeem your gift card. Open either the App Store or iTunes Store app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon, usually located at the top of the screen. From the menu, select the option that says Redeem Gift Card or Code. You can then manually type in the 16-digit code from the back of your card, or simply use your device's camera to scan it. Your balance will be added to your Apple ID. With your gift card redeemed, it's time to upgrade your storage. Navigate to your device's settings, then tap on your name at the very top. From there, select iCloud, and then proceed to Manage Account Storage. You will see an option to change storage plan. Here, you can choose your desired plan, perhaps 50 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, or even more, depending on your needs. Finally, review your selected storage plan and its corresponding price to ensure everything looks correct. Confirm the purchase, and the cost will be deducted directly from your Apple ID balance, which now includes your gift card funds. With increased iCloud storage, you'll enjoy seamless syncing of your data across all your Apple devices. This means you can access your important files, photos, and documents from anywhere, anytime, with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.